How to fix Messenger app connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Messenger app from here. So you will see Messenger app is here, so click on Messenger app. Now here scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix Messenger app connection problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, go back to home screen and open control center, so just swipe down. Now here's a turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode, so turn off flight mode. So after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Messenger app connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.